Hey guys, ready for some mountain magic? Let's go. Mountains are awesome. They touch our souls. Big, tall, and beautiful. Some mountains are super famous, like Everest. It's the tallest one. But small mountains are cool too. They have pretty views. Mountains have different colors. Green, brown, white, with snow. Climbing mountains is fun. It's hard work. But the view is worth it. Mountains are home to animals. Bears, eagles, and goats live there. People love mountain air. It's fresh and clean. Mountains inspire us. They make us feel small, but also strong. Next time you see a mountain, stop and look. Feel its power. Mountains are special. They connect us to nature. That's all for today, friends. Don't forget to subscribe for more cool stuff.